Okay, experiment 3 now. We're just going to use the same masses as we did before, except that it will be the light glider colliding with the heavy one. I won't bother to re-measure the masses this time. They haven't changed, but we will. What I want you to do is to pay close attention to what happens in the collision itself. So, okay, so hopefully you noticed there, this time the light glider, after the collision, rebounded in the opposite direction, and the heavy glider carried on in the original direction. Okay, so data for experiment 3, where we had the light mass running into the heavy mass, and you can see there the two masses as they were. These are the velocities or the speeds. This, obviously, initial velocity 0 for the heavy truck because that was stationary, and there are two here, two speeds, one for each truck after the collision. What I would like you to do, as before, conservation of momentum, and show that in this case momentum is conserved. This time I've actually done the calculation for the second, and to an appropriate number of significant figures, it does work out. You'll need to just be a little bit thoughtful when you come to do the calculation. I'm not going to say any more than that at this stage.